Alright guys, welcome guys back to Crypto Jam. So today we're going to take a look at Vechain, also known as ticker VET. So Vechain currently has been trading a bit sideways like most of the altcoins have before as Bitcoin pumps. But now Bitcoin is consolidating and the alts are catching up to Bitcoin, so they're seeing this minor pump with the altcoins. So what we're looking at for Vechain is we have this rising wedge that is forming for Vechain. Rising wedges are mainly bearish patterns, so if we do breakdown of this rising wedge for Vechain, we have this technical target of around about I think 9 cents again, which we had a bearish for Vechain, but as you can see from Bitcoin had a rising wedge. I think we'll take a look at I drew this out back then. So Bitcoin had this rising wedge. We broke out of the rising wedge. That's how strong Bitcoin was, and it could happen for Vechain. It could happen the same for Vechain. That can be how strong Vechain is. If we break out this rising wedge, we have this technical target of around about breakout. Is a rising wedge, so the breakout target can be anywhere, breakout price can be anywhere. If we do breakout, we have this technical target to around like 14 cents, which I think will tackle the highs of the local high of Vechain if we do break out this rising wedge. Again, rising wedge are mainly bearish patterns, but we can break out of a rising wedge to the upside. Now, hopefully Vechain does that. What we did for Vechain is I think we came up to this resistance level, lost the resistance, and now we're coming down, finding support. I think we'll get if we continue to roll, I think we get a kiss off the 20 EMA before we get the continuation, hopefully to the upside. Again, we could always roll over, lose this rising wedge, and come down to 9 cents and come back down to where we formed the rising wedge. Again, it could happen either ways, but hopefully it does break to the upside, and if you do, then it'll be hella bullish for Vechain. So again, anything I say is not financial advice. Please take it with a pinch of salt, and I'll see you guys later.